Scooby-Doo and Guess Who, episode number 40, guys. Um, Shaggy and Velma play a game of Jeopardy against this robot named Max, and of course, guys, since this is a game of Jeopardy, it features the last recording animated the last animated appearance of late Jeopardy host Alex Trebek. I, I dedicate this review to Alex, and man, guys, episode 40 is pretty much as cut and dry of a Jeopardy game as you can get, but the thing is, it's so Jeopardy, and it feels like something that that just like with everything else Alex did, he put his whole heart into it. Basically, guys, the person, but um, but but behind Max's desire to basically be two human minds in a game of Jeopardy is none other than Jeopardy's cameraman in this episode, who 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 actually also owns the company that the Max Kilobyte robots are made, and when the camera guy and Weatherly, the sort of one who built Max, saw that Velma was dominating the game with their superior knowledge. Weatherly and the camera guy had no choice but to make Max at malfunction rather, and basically interrupt the game and chase the gang multiple times, and through all the chase scenes, Alex continues to try and point out all these very interesting facts about certain things that Max smashes in the studio, all of which go over Scooby and Shaggy's head. In fact, it appears as though Velma's going to take the whole enchilada. That is until Shaggy sees the one thing that he's good at, which is food, and and that leaves Shaggy, after asking Alex why does he still even travel around with Mystery Inc. when ghosts freak him out. It's Shaggy's love of food and just pure luck that actually makes him only increase his final score when it gets to Final Jeopardy by plus $1, but it's because of Shaggy's love of food that he's able to figure out that the answer to the final question is what is baking powder, and Velma and Max both answer what is baking soda, and that answer is unfortunately incorrect, and that causes them to both lose all their money. But again, guys, this episode truly, truly, I feel what was just a very relaxed and yet trying to be educational episode. But every time Max has a whacked out moment because he because he can recognize his robot mind is losing to the human mind. Alex gives one of his famous speeches in just convincing everybody and pretty much telling Max that I'm not going to let you interfere with my game now or ever. In fact, it's Alex's famous pep talk that that basically somehow keeps the um, game going throughout the entirety of the mystery. Again, guys, this episode, uh, sh- uh, it, it, it's just the gang playing a game of Jeopardy against a uh, great creator and and an angry cameraman. I dedicate this to Alex Trebek.